Emergency Management Agency NEMA says more than 300 people have so far been killed in flood disasters across Nigeria in 2022. Director General of NEMA, Mustafa Ahmed, disclosed this at a strategic workshop with stakeholders on disaster risk reduction and management held in Abuja. He said over 50 flood disasters alerts were received by the agency daily, with more than 100 communities affected. According to him, the numbers have been increasing by the day, adding that 2002 flood disasters would be worse than that of 2012. In 2012, NEMA reported that at least 363 people were killed and over 2.1 million people were displaced by floods.